Hi, good morning. This is the second video for vocabulary, Khmer vocabularies from the Phnom Penh Post that requested by Robert to help explain him, what it means to the Phnom Penh Post in Khmer. Okay, so I'm going to help you learn some more vocabulary from the Phnom Penh Post now. Okay, អរុនសួស្តីទាំងអស់គ្នាបាទសុខសប្បាយខ្ញុំគិតថាទាំងអស់គ្នាសុខសប្បាយបាទយើងចាប់ផ្ដើមបន្តទៀតបាទពាក្យបន្តទៀតគឺត្រូវបានបាទត្រូវបានបាទត្រូវបានសូមខ្ញុំត្រូវបានអញ្ជើញចូលរួមជប់លៀងខ្ញុំត្រូវបានបាទហៅបាទសំទោសហៅបាទចូលរួមជប់លៀងបាទជប់លៀងបាទso ត្រូវបាន when you use it in a sentence so ត្រូវបាន is a passive word thing បាទ I was invited by like in English I was invited by so ខ្ញុំត្រូវបានហៅចូលរួមជប់លៀង I was invited for a party បាទ so ត្រូវបានបាទ The next word is ប្រធានបាទប្រធានបាទប្រធានបាទប្រធាន or you can say may it mean boss your supervisor ប្រធានប្រធានបាទ example in a sentence you can say បើសិនមិញខ្ញុំជួបប្រធានខ្ញុំនិយាយអំពីការងារបាទមកសិលមិញខ្ញុំជួបបាទប្រធានខ្ញុំនិយាយបាទនិយាយបាទអំពីការងារការងារបាទបើសិនមិញខ្ញុំជួបប្រធានខ្ញុំនិយាយអំពីការងារបាទ I met my boss yesterday to talk or to speak about our work បាទ so ប្រធាន or may is the same បាទ boss supervisor This one is really interesting, Robert, that you that were in one of your questions. It's very interesting because it is really in the structure when you use it in Khmer, like Koban and Koban Dai. Koban Dai. So these two, I'm going to help you, how to use it in a sentence. So Koban. So this is like an option when you use in Khmer. For example, like there are two things that they want you to choose. For example, you drink coffee or tea. But you drink coffee or tea. So Koban here. Koban. So when they offer two things like that for you to choose, to select, and then if it doesn't matter for you, you can drink tea or coffee. You can say ខ្ញុំញ៉ាំតែក៏បានកាហ្វេក៏បានតែខ្ញុំញ៉ាំបាទតែក៏បាន cà phê có bàn bà cà phê có bàn nhóm nhằm tai có bán cà phê có bàn. It means that you can drink tea or you can drink coffee. It doesn't matter whether which one. You can drink both. Okay, so có bàn. Then the next one is we say có bàn đài. The ways of using is similar. When someone asks you, would you like tea or coffee? You can say, "Chom nham cà phê có bàn đài," or "Chom nham tai có bàn đài." Same. Okay, these two. Next one is por miên. Por miên. This is how you spell your phonetic here. Por da miên. It should be por ra miên. Por miên. So por miên, it means news. News. Ngày ní ខ្ញុំមានព័ត៌មានថ្មីបាទនេះខ្ញុំមានព័ត៌មានថ្មីថ្ងៃនេះខ្ញុំមានព័ត៌មានថ្មី I have a news today. Okay. Some porn here. Some porn. So some porn, it means like alliance, like a multiple NGOs, a multiple community, a multiple association. Say some porn. Okay, alliance. Some porn. Okay. One. I think this one, it should be Tonekia. Tonekia. So Tonekia, it means bank. You can say no Cambodia mean Tonekia Charan. There are many banks in Cambodia, but Tonekia is bank. But no Cambodia mean Tonekia Charan. The next one is Robaika. It's a good word, this one. Robaika. Ro by ka. So Robaika in English, it means report. Robaika. Robaika. Like you can say annual report. Robaika ប្រចាំឆ្នាំ Robaika ប្រចាំឆ្នាំ annual report. So report, it means Robaika. Okay. The next one is Totul. Totul. That's how you spell your phonetic. Tool. Tool means to receive, to get something. Tool. You can say Khnyom tool email. Be Puma Khnyom. I received an email from my friend. Tool is to receive, to get something from someone. Tool. Klah. I think we did learn this a little bit from yesterday. Klah it means some. So when you use in a sentence like, do you have some water? Or do you have some books? Bom means to play klah te. Bom means to play klah te. So klah te. Bom means blah blah blah. Klah te. Next one is Sunday Sok. That's a good one here. Sunday Sok. Sunday Sok. Sunday Sok. Sunday Sok. Sunday Sok, it means security. Security. Example, Khmer Cambodia, Terga Sunday Sok. Cambodia needs security. Sunday Sok. Next one is, I guess this one it should be like Pochniatan. That's how you spell your phonetic, Robert. Pochniatan. So Pochniatan means restaurant. Pochniatan is a fancy word for hang by, because some people say hang by, like a rice shop that you can go and eat rice in Cambodia. So Pochniatan is a fancy one, a fancy restaurant, Pochniatan. The next one is I think Albrum. Albrum. Not Albrum, but maybe Albrum here without the B. Albrum. So Albrum it means education. Albrum. Education. Albrum. You can say វិស័យអប់រំមានសារៈសំខាន់សម្រាប់ប្រទេសកម្ពុជា. Education sector is very important in Cambodia. So វិស័យអប់រំមានសារៈសំខាន់នៅកម្ពុជា. Okay. The next one is, I guess this one is should be Romaniatan. Romaniatan. So Romaniatan is like a tourist site. A site for tourists to visit. Romaniatan. You can say Romaniatan, this is Jaw. Tourist destination, tourist site. Romaniatan. Like in Cambodia, there are many, tourist sites to go and visit, like Angkor Wat. What else? If you want to see like a natural resources, there are many places you can go here in Cambodia. You can go to Kong, you can go to Ratanakiri or Mundulkiri. That we call, Romaniatan, a tourist destination or tourist site. Romaniatan. Next one is Pale Dial. Pale. Dial. Pale Dial. You have to use it in the sentence, this one. ពេលដែលខ្ញុំរៀនភាសាខ្មែរ when ទៅពេលដែល is when បាទពេលដែលខ្ញុំរៀនភាសាខ្មែរ ខ្ញុំចូលចិត្តនិយាយជាមួយពួកម៉ាក់ខ្ញុំ so when I study Khmer I like to speak with my friend បាទពេលដែរ when នាយក Nayuk. So Nayuk is mean like in English it's mean like director, someone who in charge of like one department or section, but Nayuk. Like in Cambodia we use a lot of Nayuk, like in the school system say Nayuk Sala, school director, but Nayuk Sala. You can say Nayuk Kromhon, company director, executive director, example like that. Nayuk. Bà phong đài. Phong đài. See, phong đài. This word is like we use a lot to put it at the end of the sentence to make the sentence beautiful. It doesn't have the full meaning by itself. If someone says something like example, oh, your friend saying like, oh, I like shopping a lot on the weekends, and because it's a lot of discounts on the weekend, and then you emphasize, oh, me too, ខ្ញុំផងដែរ so ផងដែរ like too in this case, or also or so, ផងដែរ too also or so, បាទ ផងដែរ ច្បាប់ ច្បាប់ so ច្បាប់ like you can say ច្បាប់ it means like rule of law or law, ច្បាប់ you can say ច្បាប់ចរាចរណ៍ traffic law, បាទ ច្បាប់ចរាចរណ៍ ច្បាប់ is law. មន្ត្រី the next one is មន្ត្រី បាទ មន្ត្រី There's a mantri like officer, someone who work in like a government, institutions. So mantri Rathabibal, government, officers. Okay, so mantri officer, mantri Rathabibal, mantri Rathabibal Khmer, mantri Rathabibal Amrit. Okay, thank you very much, Rob. I think there are a few about 7 or 10 words, and I think I could not read your phonetic, but I will try to do my best to go through it again and see if something come up in my mind and try to read your phonetic. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this.